Hey everyone, welcome to Psychology. I'm Sherry Wynn and I'm going to be your instructor for this semester. This video is just going to be a little bit of a background about me, where I come from, where I'm now, what I do when I'm not teaching, just to give you a sense of who's going to be the person behind the scenes running this class. So I grew up in New York City, and I'm sure you will notice my New York accent at times. I've been living in Colorado now for over 20 years. I have 3 grown children from college age, past college age. I've been teaching at Front Range now for about 10 years. I'm also a licensed professional counselor, which in basic terms means that I'm a psychotherapist. The advantage that will bring to this course is that I'll be able to offer you very pertinent case studies and examples of a lot of the theories, a lot of the perspectives that we're going to discuss in this class. And I think most students really appreciate that part. This class is going to be taught in a very practical, applicable way, so a lot of the material, or most of the material, is going to be information that you can relate to as students at this point in your life. A lot of the assignments, the mini lessons, the writing assignments in particular, the reflection essays, are all going to be asking you to apply concepts that we learn in this class. So I hope that really helps the material if you will come alive. So anyway, I look forward to spending the semester with you all. One of your first assignments is going to be week 1 discussion, whereas I'm going to ask you to post a 1-minute video or a minimum of 100-word bio about yourselves to our first discussion board. The details and instructions or all that will be coming, so we could all get to know each other as well. So anyway, I look forward to seeing you guys all online. Thanks.